Alright guys, I'm doing a review of these Minh egg rolls. These are at Costco, so we're gonna do a quick taste test. So, here we go, there's the front. Here's the back. And here's the side panel. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. So here you have pork, cabbage, some rice, cornstarch, wheat, yeah, so an egg, so just be aware of that. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, that's what they look like. That's a big pack. They're actually quite heavy. So I'm going to put this in the air fryer and I'll do a quick taste test. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, here is the spring rolls all done. So let me give you an example of what it looks like inside. And let's do a quick taste test. It's not bad. It's got a nice filling. The filling is almost very traditional sort of egg roll taste. It's got cabbage. It's actually not bad. The outer wrap is actually quite soft and crispy. So yeah, I sort of like these ones have more flavor than the spring roll ones that I did a review on. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel. It has a more of a pepper taste to it.